To be with you, I am Africa Women Band. Interpenetration of solids. The interpenetration of solids, mostly they use this in making plumbing materials. So today I'll teach you on how to construct a T-junction for plumbing materials. Here you are always given the measurements. In construction, they always give you the measurements. Now we are going to construct the interpretation of solids in cylinders with the same diameter. Cylinders with the same diameter. Okay, how is this constructed? First, you are going to construct the given views. And anything that you construct, as long as it involves cylinders, it means it has the center lines. Remember, for you to construct the circle, you first need to construct the center lines. So, okay, you have that straight line. Then from there, you are going to construct this other center line. And then, after you constructed that center line, you are going to draw your circle. Remember, a cylinder, when you look at it, on top, what you are going to see is a circle. That is our plan of the cylinder. From there now, you are going to project lines from here going upwards so that you draw a front. How do we project these lines? You use these set squares, you put them like this. Make sure the edge of this set square is in line to the line that you have drawn. Then you slide it down a bit. You get this set square, put it like that. Then in the last, or where the circle touches the center line, you draw that line. Then you slide it to this edge and draw that line. After drawing that line, you are going to construct the plan now according to the measurements that you are going to be given. For example, they give you height to be 100. Then the diameter for this, for example, it is 40 millimeters, which is half of this from here to here is going to be 20. And then after you projected those lines, your front from there. So this is the base of our front. After that, now you are going to measure and half of this is 15, which is there. So this is not 15 as well. Okay. So after indicating your measurement, this is 100 and then this is 50, half of 100. Here you are going to draw a straight line. That then on top there, you are going to draw that line. Then after you've drawn those lines, you are going to add in another cylinder. This is the first cylinder. We have front and plan. This is the plan of this cylinder. So we are talking about cylinders with the same diameter. Obviously, they are 2 cylinders. So now we need to draw another cylinder which interpenetrates into this cylinder. You also be given measurements. For example, they say distance from here to there is 60. What you do, you draw a line straight parallel to the center line. Okay. Then this line will also be extended. After you've drawn this like that, since these cylinders, they are of the same diameter, you just get this distance from there to here. When you get this distance, you put your point of compass here. Remember this distance they have given us this distance, which is 60 millimeters. Then you draw a semicircle, and then even here you do the same. You are going to draw a semicircle. In construction, these they are not supposed to be in outline. After drawing that, you are going to divide this circle into 6 equal parts. We all know how to divide a circle into 12 equal parts. Now dividing this into 6 equal parts, it is not that difficult. It's very simple. You put your point of compass there, you strike an arc. You put your point of compass there, you strike an arc this side, then you strike an arc down there. You put your point of compass there, then you strike an arc. After doing that, you are going to number these arcs that you have drawn. For example, we say 0 here, 1, 2, 3. Then here it is going to be 2, 1, 0. Out together? Yes. And then you are going to do the same on top. Put your point of compass there, strike an arc, come here, you strike an arc, down, do the same, then put it there and strike an arc. Now, here that's where the trick part is. When you've numbered, you've started with 0 here, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1, 0. Here now, this 0, since you are looking at it directly. You saw these zeros will be here. And then from there now, you say 0, 1, 2, 3. And then 0, 1, 2, 3. Out there.
Yes.
When you look at it on top here, the plan, this line you are going to see it direct to you. Then when you look at it in the front view, this line you are going to see it in the sides. That's why the numbers you should be very careful when numbering your views. Then after that now we are going to do the projection. We are going to project all these points to this cylinder, and then we are also going to project all these points to this cylinder. All together?
Yes.
From there now, we are going to project the points that will touch this circle here, where they will meet these lines and the circle. We will project them up there. Okay. Start with it. 0. Okay, this 0 should touch the end of this circle, or where this circle touches the center line. That, and then 1, that, and then 2, that, 3 we already have, is the center line,
Yes.
and then 2, like that, and then 1, there, and then 0, all these lines, they are supposed to be parallel to the center line. These lines that are drawn, they are supposed to be parallel to the center line. From there, you are going to project the lines on the front view. They are supposed to be equal to the center line, which is this center line. Then start 1. 1 there. Then 2. 3, then you come down 1, 2, 3. Then we have projected these lines touching to this cylinder, and these lines again from this cylinder, which is here, touching this cylinder. From there now, we are going to project lines from this cylinder, the plan, to the front. Where these lines from this cylinder meet with this cylinder, we will project them to the front. Make sure the lines are parallel to the center line. So you will discover that 1 and 1 on top there, they are in the same, they all lie in the same line. Then 2 and 2, they also lie in the same line. 3 is already there. 0, it is the center line. Out together. Yes. Then after projecting these lines, let's extend them. After projecting these lines, now you start tracing. Remember we have put these numbers. These numbers and these numbers, they need now, we need to start matching them. For example, we have 0 here. 0 from this cylinder, it is touching this circle here. Then there is a line which has been projected go up there. Then 0, even here there is what? There is line 0. Where this line from the plan here and the line from the front, where they meet 0 and this 0, it is where it is here. So this becomes your point of intersection of zeros. And then we have 1. Our 1 is here. Then you follow this line. Where it touches the circle, there is a line which has been drawn going upwards, which has been projected. Then you are also going to follow line 1. When you follow this line, and then there is line 1 here, where do they meet? It is there. Out together. Yes. Then you are going to follow line 2. We have 2 here. Where it touches the circle, it has been projected. Then there is also line 2 here. Where this line touches the circle, or where this line 2, and this 2 which is coming from the plan, where they meet, it is there. Out together. Yes. Then you have line 3. This line 3 is at the end of the plan, and then goes up there, meeting line 3, which is there. So initially, when cylinders are of the same diameter, the point of intersection which will be formed is going to be a line. You are going to outline, you are going to draw this line. To avoid double lines, it is better you outline first. Come to outline, I've used a different chalk. The one in white is in construction. Then the one in, like this. The one in pink is for outline. So we've drawn the point of intersection between this cylinder and this cylinder. Now going up there, we'll do the same. We have this line 1, which, this is line 0. Line 0 we have point 0 here. We have 1. 1 and 1 is here. Then there is a line that has been drawn going to the front elevation. Then the front elevation also we have 1 coming from this side. Where they meet, it is where it is here. And then 2, you follow this 2. Then you also follow this 2. Where they meet, it is there. And then we have 3, which is this, and then 3 there is that one. Then you are going to draw your line indicating the point of intersection. This line initially is supposed to be straight, like that one. Then this is the point of intersection of these 2 cylinders. Last, you just outline this line, and then here you outline this, and then also going to outline there, here. Okay, then we have constructed the interpenetration of these cylinders. Mostly, when asking questions, they will draw these cylinders, but they will not show the point of intersection, where they intersect. How many have seen a T-junction, the one which is used in plumbing? It's a pipe. It's like this, where you join a pipe here. So you want maybe water to be going to this side and that other side. They normally use this. So before they make those T junctions, first they need to make a mold. For them to make a mold, they normally follow this method of construction. So it is at this mostly you can't see them; they are not visible. So when making it, you need to construct it, like you need to draw a plan, then you make it. There is an imaginary line, which is that one, which is the point of intersection. Are we together? Yes. Any question? No questions? Yes, delight.
Sir, why can't you number the plan the same way you have numbered on the front elevation?
When numbered here,
the points of that thing that is on top.
the one on top.
Will you? We use the same as that one that is down there. They are on top that where the scale we start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
For example, we move this. We start with 3, 2, 1, 0, and then 1, 2, 3.
That one that is on top.
The one on top here. We started with 3, 2, 1, 0.
We do as the same.
Oh, you put these numbers the way they are here. We remove them. Then we say 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0. That's what you mean. Then you're not going to find your point of intersection. Because 3 here is this one, then it is touching the circle at this point. Then your 3 is there, it is touching the circle where here. So meaning your point will be there. Then you have 2 which is here, touching the circle here, and then you follow your 2 here, it's going to be there. Then you have 1 here, 1 there. You are going to have this cave, of which will never be like that. We only have a cave when the cylinders are not of the same diameter. Now these, they are of the same diameter. We are not going to have a cave, we are going to have a line of intersection. So there now it is based on the numbers. The numbers, as I explained, this is the plan, this is the front. You are looking at it on the upper part. This number which is here, 0, it is going to be here. Front, you are looking at it from the front point, and then plan, you are looking at it on top, then you are drawing it down. So when it comes to numbering here, you are not going to have a line of intersection. Remember, these cylinders, they are of the same what? Diameter. When you are constructing interpenetration, when you've been given cylinders found when you are constructing cylinders of different diameters. Now here we are constructing cylinders with the same diameter, meaning the diameter for this one is equal to the diameter of this one. There are two cylinders, this cylinder and this cylinder. Another question? There is a question, yes.
So sir, how is this topic applied in real life?
In real life, this type of topic applies when manufacturing plumbing materials. Even some materials which are used in engineering materials. One of the examples that I've given you is a T-junction. There are those GI pipes. We have poly GIs, we have poly pipes, plastic pipes which are used in construction. Plumbing, when it comes to water, you hire someone to do plumbing in your house. You are building a house, for example. You hire someone to do plumbing in your house. There are things that that person needs to buy. Those things, for them to be made, first they need to be constructed. People need to sit down and plan how are we going to make this. Because when making those, they use molds. Now they need to make that mold. How are they going to make that mold? First, they need to do what? To construct. So that is where they are applied in real life. Before they make those things that we see, first they construct them. And this is how they are constructed before they are made. Yes, miss.
Assuming all the circles needs to be in construction.
All the circles. No, not necessarily all the circles. There is plan here. This is supposed to be in construction. Then these are cylinders. These are cylinders. A cylinder, when you look at it from the plan point of view, what you're going to see is a circle. When you look at it from the front point of view, you're going to see a rectangle like this one. So the only thing that needs to be in outline, it is the circle that you see on the plan. These they are supposed to be. These they are just helping you out to come up with these points, these circles, these semicircles. They are just there to help you out to come up with these points. Then you construct the line of intersection.
Sir, since we use interpenetration to draw the plan of a T-junction, is it possible to use the same interpenetration to draw the plan of a cross junction?
Yes. Where they are crossing, you still need the same. Here, I'll use this example from here too. We have one source of water. Then this water needs to be distributed to the boys' hostels and the girls' hostels. Then the source is just one. For example, this water is coming from here. Here we have boys' hostels. Then here we have girls' hostels. When water comes here, when it reaches here, it will split. A percentage of water will go this side, a certain percentage will go this side. Then here maybe it is going to the kitchen. Then some will go this side. So for this to be made, first it has to be constructed. Then it means you also need to find the line of what? Of intersection. Where this part is intersecting into this part. So even cross junctions, you can also apply this method of construction. Well, then as we come to the end of this lesson. You have been with me, Afnika Whitman Banda, on behalf of the production crew. See you next time.